Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft authentication servers are currently not reachable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you know how to close your Minecraft launcher and find your file explorer. Okay. In here, go to local disk C or this PC, local disk C. Now go to Windows right here, double click, and then find System32. Double click, find drivers. Double click, and then we have here the etc folder or etc. Double click on it, and here we have host. So minimize your window, move the host file onto your desktop, continue, double click on host, and just open it with Notepad. Now, as you can see here, we have these numbers and the website and some hashtags. Okay, all you gotta do is just delete all that got this number, okay, and just leave it like this. Okay, make sure that you have these on the notepad or in the file. Okay, review it, pause the video, make sure that you have this right here, ending localhost with a colon 1. And then once that's done, just click on file, hit on save, close it, now move it right here, move, continue, wait for it, restart your computer. Once done, should be good to go. That is how you fix Minecraft authentication server or servers are currently not reachable. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.